Pablo Contreras goes all the way. Jaime throws it down with two hands. Long run. Kailangan masukli ang dulo ng batak to end the quarter. Yes!
Pagkatapos mabigo sa finals noong season 90, kumakatok na muli sa pinto ng kampyonato ang Arellano University Chiefs.
Yung huling finals namin nung season 90, kaya yun, parang ang pangit ng pagka-exit nung mga ibang teammates ko kasi ang pangit ng laro namin eh.
Bumarangkada ang Chiefs sa semifinals at pinatumba ang Mapua Cardinals upang makamit ang pinapangarap na pagkakataon buong season.
University will go back to the NCAA Finals.
Ito, sobrang saya na namin kasi nakukuha na namin yung mga kumpiyansa namin sa bawat isa. Tsaka nung laban namin sa Mapua, parang doon na namin nakuha yung teamwork namin eh. So ito, ipapakita talaga namin ngayong finals na maganda yung team namin.
Muling sasandala ni Coach Jerry Codinera ang kanyang backcourt tandem na sina Giovanni Halalon at Kent Salado.
Well, he's playing so well and I hope it will continue and he will continue to guide the team, direct the team and yan ang pinaka-leader ng team and that's where they draw their strength from Gio and also with Salado around and the rest of the group, they know their roles. So I hope it will continue.
Buo ang puso ng Chiefs na makamit ang kauna-unahang titulo sa kanilang kasaysayan. Bit-bit ang suporta ng buong Arellano community.
Well, we will go all out. We'll just be ready. Kung anong ibigay nila, hopefully meron kaming pansagot.
Sa lahat ng supporters namin, lalo na sa Arellano community, asahan nyo na maganda yung ipapakita namin sa inyo. Matutuwa tayong lahat kung ano man yung papakita namin sa court.
And it is official. The Sunbeta College Red Lions are back in the NCAA Finals for the 11th straight year.
Redemption ang naging sigaw ng Sunbeta Red Lions ngayong season. Matapos mabigo noong nakaraang season, ay meron na silang pagkakataon na maibalik ang korona sa Mendiola.
First, we had our do-or-die game. And as what coach said, it's a character game, it's a player's game. I saw my teammates like they wanted to win. They wanted to win the championship.
Dalawang panalo na lamang at makukuha na ng Red Lions ang kanilang inaasam na kampyonato.
We can never stop these young men, but we can only limit them. And of course, the rest of their team, we have to limit their production in Game 1.
Sasandala ng Sunbeta ang kanilang deep bench at championship experience para makuha ang ika-20 kampyonato sa kanilang kasaysayan.
Coming into the finals, we have confidence coming in, but they're gonna be hungry and try to prove themselves. So we have to be hungrier coming into Game 1.
Isang layunin, isang sigaw.
Redemption. Redemption.
Sampung kulay, isang laban. Yan po ang naging tema ng ika-72 taon ng kauna-unahang ligang pangkolehyo ng ating bansa. Pagkatapos ng dalawang elimination rounds,
73 laro, 8 eskwelahan na ang natibag at 2 na lamang ang natitira, asul at pula. Mula po dito sa Mall of Asia Arena sa lungsod ng Pasay, ito po ang finals ng inyong NCAA Season 92 live and exclusive sa SNA. Handang-handa ng mga estudyante na mula sa Mendiola at sa Legarda dahil Game 1 na of a Best of 3 series sa pagitan ng Arellano University Chiefs, and the faithful are here from Legarda, Manila, and also the Red Lion supporters na mula pa sa Mendiola. Ito nga po ang Game 1, bakbakan na sa pagitan ng Arellano University at San Beda College. The bus driver Giovanni Halalon is arguably the best point guard in college basketball today, but he wants Arellano to be the best team in the NCAA. At may sagot din si Dan Sara and the rest of the Red Lions. Yan na nga, si arguably the best point guard in collegiate basketball today, Giovanni Halalon. Sabi niya, gusto niya ang Arellano ang the best team in the NCAA Season 92. Dan Sara naman has 2 NCAA titles in his belt and wants a 3rd one on his final year wearing the red and white. The conductor, Kent Salado, is a tested and proven wingman for the bus driver at gusto niya makuha ang kampyonato na kasama si Gio. Robert Bolick is Mr. Do-It-All for San Beda, and he will give it all to win it all. Lervin Flores is called the Dispatcher and 1/3 of the Big Three of Arellano University, at gusto daw niyang madispatcha ang San Beda Red Lions in this finals. And Davon Potts has been the super rookie and Mr. Fourth Quarter for San Beda, and he also wants to bring a title back to Mendiola. Magandang hapon, Pilipinas, at hello sa ating mga kababayan sa buong mundo via the Filipino channel. Andre Felix kasamang nag-iisang Rainman, Coach Renren Retuano. Grabe ang atmosphere rin. Magandang hapon sa iyo. It's finals in the NCAA.
Magandang hapon sa iyo, Andre. Magandang hapon sa lahat ng NCAA fans. Mag-bathroom na kayo. Kunin nyo na yung popcorn. It's gonna be a fun and exciting game. Arellano Chiefs versus the San Beda Red Lions.
Handa na mga estudyante, handa na rin tayo, Renren. Pag-usapan muna natin at balikan natin ang mga naganap noong elimination round kung saan nagharap sila ng 3 beses at ni isang beses hindi nagtagumpay ang Arellano kontra sa San Beda.
They faced in the first round, San Beda Lions 101, Chiefs 86. Round 2, 91, 81 Chiefs. At the playoffs last September 27, San Beda Red Lions gained the number 1 spot, 80 points against the 73 points of the Chiefs. So, 3-0 ang San Beda dito. But this is gonna be a different ball game. This is the finals. So, tapon lahat ng record na yan. It's gonna be 0-0 from the start. So, eto na yung beginning of the finals of the NCAA.
Sabi mo nga, Renren, hindi nanalo ang Arellano sa San Beda, 101-86 ng round 1, 91-81 ng round 2, at 80-73 nung September 27 for a battle for first. Pero ngayon, sabi mo, itapon na lahat ng papel, itapon na lahat ng numero dahil nga, this is the finals. Let's talk about Giovanni Halalon and Lervin Flores in their game, Final 4 game kontra sa Mapua Institute of Technology. Talagang binuhat nila at ayaw na nilang pahabain.
Yes.
At mabigyan pa ng pag-asa yung Mapua na matalo ang Arellano.
They made sure, Giovanni Halalon and Lervin Flores made sure na wala ng do-or-die game against the Cardinals. Yung start pa lang, makikita mo yung intensity ni Giovanni Halalon. He really wants it to go to the finals. At ito naman, Lervin Flores up to the challenge, guarding Oraime one-on-one in the post, which nag-prevail siya. Lahat ng 20 points, 24 rebounds si Oraime, lahat yun, dinugo si Oraime para makuha yung mga ganong stats.
As you can see the numbers, they combined for 44 points. Ang bus driver na si Giovanni Halalon at ang kanyang dispatcher na si Lervin Flores. Para naman sa San Beda College Red Lions, siya nga daw ay rookie pero he played competitive basketball in the US. I'm talking about this man. He is called Mr. Fourth Quarter. Why? 7 puntos lang ang kinamada kontra sa Perpetual nung Martes nung first 3 quarters. But in the fourth, kumamada ng 9 puntos.
Magandang kakampi to si Devon Potts. Ano mo, maaasahan ka sa fourth quarter. If you're a clutch player, if you're thinking about a clutch player, this guy right here, it's so clutch. Lahat ng points, most of his points, is coming up in overtime or in the fourth quarter. So, eto yung mga aabangan natin sa dulo ng game na to.
At rin dahil finals ngayon, handang-handa na nga si Devon Potts. Relax kanina, hindi niya pinapakita yung kaba. Sabi niya, hindi daw siya kinakabahan, pero sabi niya nga baka mas kinakabahan pa daw ako kaysa sa kanya. Baka totoo yun. Pero itong dalawa panigurado hindi kinakabahan rin dahil nga NCAA Finals ngayon, hindi lang tayo may kasama na isa, kundi dalawa po ang aming mga kasama. Ang dalawang nagagandahang binibini na si Roxanne Montealegre and the brains behind the bench, Miss Siege Tantenko. Magandang hapon mga binibini.
Good afternoon, Andre. Hello to you, Renren. Alam nyo, 8 a.m. pa lang, kumpleto na ang supporters ng Arellano Chiefs at marami nga sa kanila mula pa sa iba't ibang probinsya. Kaya ramdam ng Chiefs ang kanilang pagmamahal at suporta. Ikaw, Siege, kumusta ka dyan?
Aba, syempre, Roxanne, hindi magpapatalo ang Red Army. Kumpleto sila sa balloons, sa scarves, at syempre, lahat yan pinapakita ang school spirit ng mga bedista. Pero kahit pagkatunggali ang ating dalawang koponan, Roxanne, iisa lang ang ating question of the day.
Tama ka dyan, Siege. Kaya kayo, kung team bahay kayo, ilabas nyo na ang mobile phones nyo at sagutan nyo na ang aming question ngayong Finals Game 1 day. Paano nyo ba susuportahan ang team nyo? Para sagutin yan, gamitin nyo ang hashtag NCAA Season 92 at pwede nyo rin i-tweet ang sagot nyo at ABS-CBN Sports on Twitter.
Tama, and don't forget to tag us. Ako, naniniwala ako kahit saan man kayo nanunood, sa bahayan, sa opisina, sa kotse, as long as you show your support for your team, mararamdaman nila yan at madadala nila yan ang energy throughout our game. So don't forget to tag us. You'll see our social media handles there at the bottom of your screens. Ako si @CJDay on Twitter and Instagram. Rox?
Ako naman at Roxanne Montealegre on IG and at Roxy Montealegre on Twitter.
And of course, you have our boys, Andre Felix on Instagram at Andre_Felix on Twitter. Habang si Renren naman, Renren Ritualo 14 on Twitter and Renren Ritualo 414 on Instagram. So guys, let's have a good one. Jay?
Thank you, Siege.
Thank you, Roxy.
At mamaya, babalikan namin kayong dalawa. Saan pagbabalik? Ito na po, ang bakbakan. It's Game 1 between the Arellano University Chiefs kontra sa San Beda College Red Lions. Dito lamang sa finals ng NCAA on SNA.
Live from the Mall of Asia Arena, Pasay City, Philippines, SNA proudly presents game number 1 of the best of 3 series in your season 92 NCAA the Finals. Let us now meet the starters, beginning with this season's hosts, the San Beda Red Lions. Off guard, number 8, Robert Polick. Point guard, number 11, Dan Sara. Center, number 18, Ben Adamos. Power forward, number 9, J.B. Mocon. And at forward, number 16, Devon Potts. Head coach of the Red Lions, Jamai Karin. And now the starting five for the Arellano Chiefs. Forward number 7, Zach Nichols. Power forward number 17, Julius Cadavis. Center number 26, Larry Flores.
Magandang hapon po muli mga kapamilya. Andre Felix, Renren Ritualo, kasama din si Siege Tantenko at Roxanne Montealegre at courtside. The starting five for Coach Jamai Karin, Dan Sara, Robert Polick, Ben Adamos, who had to step up big with the absence of Donald Tanco, who's out for the season with an ACL injury, and of course Devon Potts at kasama si JV Mocon at forward. Para naman kay Coach Jerry Codiniera and the Arellano University Chiefs, you have Giovanni Alalon, Ket Salados starting alongside the bus driver. Lervin Flores is the man in the middle, the man from Masantol, Pampanga. Julius Canavis, the veteran forward, will be joined by Zach Nichols, who will start today. Ating mga opisyales for Game 1, Arnolfo Bermeo, Matias Calizar, Dominic Pomar, and Hector Villanueva is our fourth and alternate referee. San Beda nakaputi, Arellano naka-asul. Game 1 is good to go. Alalon sinimulan ng yes mula sa tres.
Minsan maganda talaga pag magaling ka eh. Pero mas maganda pag swerte ka at may tsamba. Grabe yung unang tinira ni Giovanni Alalon.
May banda pa, talagang simulan niya. And JV Mocon attacks right away para maibigay ang 2 puntos sa San Beda. Nichols. Agawan ng bola, Cadavis, mapupunta. Bagsak si Adamos, bagsak si Cadavis. Pupunta sa San Beda. Sara, to Pats. To Sara, mula sa labas. Salado gustong i-save ang bola para sa Arellano, but the ball will stay with the red and white with 14 seconds left on the shot clock. Let's go back to Siege reporting for the Red Lions. Siege.
Yes, Ray, nakaupo si Coach Jamaica rin nang simulan niya ang kanyang pep talk kanina. This was before the game and he told them, mag-relax muna kayo dahil in a few minutes are going to war. Ang sandata nila sa labang ito, unang-una ang selflessness to find the open man, ang kanilang resilience that has allowed them to bounce back hard even after the loss of Donald Tangwa, and huli dyan ang aggressiveness na nakita nyo sa laban nila kontra Perpetual. And kay Coach Jamaica rin, if you watch the tape from that game, we were the first to jump, the first to dive, and the first to run. That's what we're going to do because in this season, we are going to come out first. Back to you, Dre.
Maraming salamat, Siege. Kada may puntos nga yung Arellano sumasagot naman ng San Beda. Talagang sagutan sila sa panimula pa lamang ng first quarter. Here's Bolick short on that 3, Renren.
Oh, pero the story of this ball game is gonna be the second chance points. Alam natin, kumukuha ng puntos lagi ang Arellano Chiefs pagdating sa offensive rebounding. I'm sure Coach Jamaica rin is very worried of that.
You're right, because Arellano University is number 1 in second chance points, averaging 14.3 points with second chance in 19 games played. Bolick to Mocon. Back to Bolick. Bolick nakahanap ng puwang. Mintes. Flores grabs the rebound for AU.
Ganda ng depensa ng AU doon. Walang pinakitang puwang.
Mintes si Salado, babalik sa kanyang mga kamay ang bola. A fresh 14, Alalon, Cadavis. Outside shot for the big man. Wala. Bolick secures the board. Tumatakbo si Robert Bolick, tumuloy-tuloy. Humihingi ng offensive foul si Coach Jerry Codiniera, but Bolick will head to the line for 2. Now let's head back to Roxanne Montealegre for AU.
Andre, hindi mabilang si Giovanni Alalon kung ilang beses siya nakatikim ng rejection. Nagsisimula pa lang siyang mag-basketball. At kadabilang na nga rito, ang unang tryout niya sa Arellano Chiefs kung saan hindi pa siya pumasa. Pero dahil sa pagpupursige niya, like what you said, he is now arguably the best point guard in college basketball, averaging 21.1 points for his every game. Kaya sabi niya sa lahat, do not ever give up on your dreams. Hindi mo ito pwedeng talikuran dahil sa ngayon, he was able to lead his team to this day of the game 1 of the championship. At sabi nga rin niya, throwback Thursday ngayon, at itong unang beses na nakaharap niya ng season 90 ang San Beda Red Lions, hindi sila nakatikim ng panalo. Kaya extra motivation today, nabawian sila. Andre, Renren?
Maraming salamat, Roxanne. Tama ka doon dahil noong 2014 NCAA season 90, Renren, natalo ng San Beda ang Arellano in the finals. It was October 20, 2014. San Beda won that game in Game 1, 74-66. Noong Game 2 naman, talo ulit ang Arellano, 89-70, October 22, 2014, para makuha ng San Beda ang kampyonato at matalo nga ang Arellano. At this time around, sabi ni Coach Jerry Codiniera, naaalala namin yun, naaalala din namin yung pagkatalo namin sa kanila ng elimination round 3 times.
It's payback time in the finals para sa mga Arellano Chiefs at kay Coach Jerry Codiniera. Ang tanong, kung papayagan ng mga San Beda Red Lions.
Sara, hinanap si Mr. Fourth Quarter. Dito fourth quarter, first quarter pa lang, pero nakikista na ng 3 puntos si Davon Potts.
First attempt of the ball game ni Davon Potts in this quarter. Pasok kagad. Samantala, first block shot ni JB Mocon against the 3-pointer of the Arellano Chief, Nichols.
Tingnan natin itong kick out ni Dan Sara kay Davon Potts. And way to go to get your 3-point shooter, your rookie, super rookie nga ang tawag sa kanya ng mga ilang mga pedista. Halalon, hinanap si Nichols. Sara, muntikan mawala ang bola. Mocon, Potts, 2 puntos, ilis na muna para kay Davon Potts.
JB Mocon, an all-around guy, very unselfish. Pwede niya nang i-drive yun and go to the basket, pero hinahanap niya yung kakashoot lang na si Davon Potts, wide open in the corner.
Davon Potts averages 47% from the field in season 92. Halalon, bump Sara, no whistle blown. Mocon, kick out, Potts feeling it. That time around, heat check para kay Potts. Here's Halalon. Gets bumped by Sara, tatawagan ng first personal foul ang veterano na si Roldan Sara, and first team foul, make that second team foul for the Red Lions. And there's Davon Potts with 5 points already. Ayan yung bangga. Check that, first team foul for the Red Lions. Here's Cadavis, ginamitan ng banda, 2 player na para kay Coach Jenny na gumagamit ng banda. Isa yung 3 puntos ni Halalon, isa naman yung perimeter jumper ni Cadavis.
San Beda is playing zone defense against the Arellano Chiefs. Alam nila kasi hindi strength ng Arellano ang 3-pointer. So they're forcing them to shoot from the outside and protecting the paint.
Bolick asking for a clear out. Mocon loves that short jumper. Mintes, the ball will remain with San Beda and Coach Jerry Cordillera. Even Lervin Flores could not believe it. Sabi niya, di daw niya nahawakan yung bola, and they will try to... And Giovanni Halalon is contesting it.
Mainit kagad, panimula pa lang. First quarter pa lang ng finals.
Balikan natin. Salamat sa ating director, si Abed Ramos. React ang parehong crowd. Kami po yung magbabalik. Kayo po yung nakatutok sa Game 1 NCAA Season 92 Finals sa FNA. Kami po yung nagbabalik dito sa Mall of Asia Arena. Tumatagundong ang hiyawan ng mga supporters ng parehong Arellano at San Beda. Arellano gets the ball back. Salado. Overspeeding at mintis siya with that layup. Sara. Coming back. Mocon goes closer, wanting to go inside kay Adamos. Tapik ng isang Arellano Chief. Bola ay mananatili sa San Beda. Lamang sila ng 4, 11-7.
Minsan pwede mo nang itira. But JB Mocon is so unselfish. But kailangan niya nang itira yung shot na yun. Kasi mata-turnover pa sila nun. Buti na lang napunta sa kanila ulit yung bola.
Bolick, ginamit ang screen na binigay ni Mocon, and Robert Bolick tumuloy-tuloy for his first field goal.
That change of speed of Robert Bolick, hindi mahirap bantayan yun. Bigla siyang bumibilis, bumabagal, mas biglang bilis.
Yung kontra-tempo, no? Here he is again. Bolick, again, that time gets fouled by Halalon.
That's gonna be big. That's his second foul.
It is on Giovanni, and it is his second personal foul, Renren.
Foul trouble kagad si bus driver. But I'm sure Coach Jerry Cordillera will let him play pa rin dito sa first quarter. Kasi walang movement sa bench eh. Hindi siya kumukuha ng substitution.
Bolick 6, his first free throw.
Yep. There, meron na tumayo para kay Coach Jerry Cordillera. I'm not sure if he's gonna sub for Giovanni Halalon.
Bolick converts both. He is the best free throw shooter para sa Red Lions. 86% free throw shooter. And Coach Jerry will opt to have
Halalon on the floor. Allen Enriquez comes in. Not for Halalon, but for Julius Cadavis.
It's the finals. Wala ka nang ititira dito. I mean, give your all talaga to.
Kumbaga, bring all your artillery out. Gumaro, the up fake, finds Flores underneath.
Maaasahan mo yan sa ilalim. Lervin Flores, mataas ang field goal percentage yan. I think it's number 2 in the league.
And 4 of the 6 players fielded in by Coach Jerry Codinera has already scored for Arellano. Sara to Adamos, the up fake on Flores, and then Adamos. Confidence gets that basket to drop at maibigay ang 17-9 na kalamangan for San Beda.
Look at Adamos. Look at his look. Gustong-gusto niyang manalo dito sa ball game na to.
Giovanni Halalon.
How about that finger roll by Giovanni Halalon over the outstretched arms of Adamos?
Just showing us, Giovanni, that he is indeed one of the best, or probably arguably the best point guard in Philippine college basketball today. Adamos to Potts. 8 under shot clock. Sara against Halalon. Sara the kick out to Ben Adamos. Inista mo na. Back-to-back baskets for Ben Adamos. He now has 6.
He can make that shot. One game, nakita ko yan. 2 in a row, 3 in a row. That corner pocket shot of Adamos. Kayang-kaya niyang i-shoot yan.
Salado. San Beda now with a 2-3 zone. Salado finds Gumaro. Gumaro finds Enriquez, overshoots. Gumaro, a clean block upstairs for Adamos, but some body contact. Mukhang kay JV Mocon yung itatawag yung foul. Ito yung... If Lervin Flores is that deep and then San Beda walang Donald Tanco inside, hirapan talaga sila. Nabantayan si Lervin Flores sa loob.
But tinan mo naman yung Adamos. Ganda ng ginagawa para sa San Beda. Kahit hindi mo na bigyan ng play, yan, wala ka na magagawa. Turnaround shot, finger roll against Adamos. Itong si Giovanni Halalon, wide open shot. Again for Adamos.
Adamos is a 48.4% field goal shooter mula sa 2-point area. Soberano na agawan. Halalon, 4-on-1 break. Halalon to his conductor, tips. Salado, tinamaan na. May basket pa para kay Kentoy Salado.
Nabanggit ba natin? Number 1 in fast break points. Etong Arellano University, that's their number 1 weapon. Making a stop and go get an easy points.
It's a 7-0 run by the Chiefs. We'll be right back with more NCAA Finals action. His mother calls him Ken, but his teammates call him Kentoy. But we call him the 6th man of Arellano because he's been solid. His production off the bench has been really vital para sa Arellano this season.
Grabe yung spark na binibigay na ito ni Ken Salado off the bench. But in this finals, he started this ball game. Nakita mo naman kagad yung spark plug niya. Ilang points na? 4-5 points already in the first quarter.
Mocon pinupostihan, pinihitan si Enriquez, nakakuha ng buenas si JV Mocon, and a foul, Soberano. Foul ang Giovanni Halalon.
Giovanni Halalon realized kakapasok lang na ito ni Soberano. That's why gusto niya na kagad atakihin to. Ayan, makikita natin. Yan din, fresh from the bench. Inatake kagad ni JV Mocon. Layo, natira.
Board lang, tinamaan doon sa triple try ni Gumaro. Potts fires away. Wala. Enriquez over na to Salado. Iniwasan si Potts. Tumuloy-tuloy si Kentoy. Nilabas kay Gumaro. Lumapit. Ginamitan ng banda. There's something about the back. At 4:20 in the afternoon. Bukas na bukas pa.
Bukas pa yung mga bango para sa Arellano Chiefs.
Halalon, talagang nakadikit kay AC Soberano. Bolig, nakahanap ng puwang. Binanggana, basket pa for at Babes Bolig. Yun ang kanyang Twitter handle, Babes Bolig. Balikan natin si Gumaro. Ito yung back shot. We've seen Giovanni Halalon and also Lervin Flores earlier. Ito naman yung atake ni Bolig. Tinawagan ng personal foul si Ken Salado.
Mabigat yung burst of speed netong ni Bolick. Akala mo mabagal-bagal, pero yung quickness niya going to the basket, you already have 8 points and 4 rebounds para kay Bolick.
They've got 9 points now para dito kay Robert Bolick. He's had breakout games versus Perpetual Help in that series, showing off that he could also score.
Yes. I think he's stepping up para sa San Beda Red Lions because he's averaging 8 points in the ellipse. But in the playoffs, he's averaging 17 points per ball game.
Ariel Aguilar misses with a layup. Here's Joe Marie Presbitero trying to thread the needle. Nahanap ni Gumaro si Salado, pero kung yung bilis na 200 kilometers per hour, di na mahabol. Hindi mo kon.
Mabilis talaga ito mga guardia ng Coach Jerry Cordillera.
If you turn the ball over with Arellano, they will really run it down to the other side.
Totoo yan, totoo yan. Number 1 in fast break points. You should take care of that basketball kasi they're gonna take advantage of it. Ito mga Arellano Chiefs, katulad nun, pagka-turnover, layup kagad para kay Salado.
Out of 190 attacks in the fast break of the elimination round, they've had 305 points, averaging 16.1 fast break points. Ang Arellano University, JV Mocon ngayon may 6 puntos na.
And those points, those fast break points, lahat yun, madadaling tira.
Basahin natin ang tweet ni Ivy Anabo, SBC versus Arellano. I want AU to get this one because Beda has been winning for the past 6 years. Kahit Bedan daw siya.
Yari ka.
Binasa ko lang naman yung tweet. Sabi naman ni King Bartido, mula po yung Riyadh hanggang Pinas, still Arellano. Bira lang, Halalon at Salado, Team Bahay. Maraming salamat sa iyo, King Bartido. Yan po ang ating mga nagtitweet. Again, you can use the hashtag NCSeason92. There is Giovanni Halalon. Has one more eligible playing year para sa Arellano for the NCAA, pero hindi pa siya sigurado kung siya'y babalik, kung siya'y magpapadraft sa pros, kung siya'y maglalaro para sa ating bansa, o kung siya maglalaro muli para sa Arellano University.
Maybe this finals will be
a test or
no
basics.
Yes.
Sabi mo nga, naalala ko sinabi mo rin habang nakikita natin si Presbitero and Aguilar getting at it. Here's Presbitero. I will go back to that point later on. Tapos si Joe Marie Presbitero holds with the board back to Ariel Aguilar. Now manning the point guard position with Giovanni at the bench. Turnover. Here's Nunu Noah. Top speed by Nunu Noah.
28-20, ang taas ng scoring niya ito. Of course, San Beda is number 1 in offense and field goal percentage dito sa liga natin.
Aguilar stepping out of bounds. Ball will go back to San Beda. Balikan natin itong banggaan ni Presbitero at ni Aguilar. Nakuha ni Nunu Noah. And look at him go headstrong. Sabi nga ni kasama Anton Rojas na sinabi daw ni kasama Martin Antonio, parang bull daw itong si Nunu Noah.
I'm sure. Nakita mo naman yung physique na ito ni Noah.
Kung parang Torre, nakatapat ka, nakapula ka. Ayoko. So, big sabihin lahat, itong mga nakapula ngayon, naatakihin niya. Problema, kulang ng Red Lions yun. 13 seconds left here in the first.
Starter points, 26. Para sa San Beda Red Lions.
Sara. 3 seconds to go. And kahit pumasok pa yun, I don't think that would have counted para kay Soberano. What an interesting and high-octane first quarter. And it started with Halalon and Salado na talagang binibilisan nila yung laro. San Beda also didn't back down. Here's Gumaro, ginamitan ng banda. But the Red Lions also had an answer thanks to Robert Bolick's 9 points. San Beda outscoring Arellano Renren in the first quarter 28-20.
Oo, alam naman natin, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, they are number 1 in offense and field goal percentage. Dapat guluhin ng Arellano Chiefs sa mga tira nila and challenge all their shots.
Second quarter is coming up after the break.